I've heard of a lot of parents being terrified of potty training their child and saying that it's harder than running a marathon. But seriously, if you potty train your child the Slumber and Bloom way, it will be easy. If you're not sure if your child is ready for potty training, we're gonna talk about that in this video. But I have a very quick and easy quiz in the description box down below that will just flat out tell you if your child is ready or not. One of the most important things when it comes to potty training is that you are doing it during a calm time in your child's life. You wanna make sure that everything is calm, there are no big transitions, you're not moving, you're not starting a new school, you are not weaning from breastfeeding in the same week, you're not moving to a toddler bed, you're not moving houses. Did I already say moving? You're not, like, all the things, just all the things. And you wanna make sure that there's just nothing major going on in your child's life. You're not traveling, there aren't holidays coming up. All of those aspects are going to make potty training harder and take longer. One really, I'm emphasizing really important thing to really understand about potty training is that your child is not going to verbally tell you, hey mom, I'm ready for potty training today. Like, it's just not gonna happen. They're going to show you, and you are the person who needs to understand that the things your child is doing and showing you is their way of telling you that they're ready for potty training. But let's be real, your child has been peeing and pooping in their diaper their entire life. They don't know any different. They don't know that this isn't normal, that everyone doesn't just pee and poop in a diaper all the time because that's the way that life is. They don't know. They don't use the bathroom all the time. They don't go to the bathroom. Like, yeah, sure, they wash their hands in the bathroom or take a bath in the bathroom or whatever it might be, but there's just like this toilet that they don't know what it is. They don't understand. But I'm gonna tell you how you can understand how your child is telling you that they're ready for potty training. Now, the first thing is that they're asking to be cleaned. If your child is bringing you a diaper and telling you, I pooped, change me, then they understand that they're uncomfortable and it's an icky feeling and they want to get out of that diaper. It doesn't mean that they know that they should have done that in the toilet. It just means they want to be changed. They want to feel fresh and clean. Another way that you can tell that your child is getting closer and closer to being ready for potty training is that they are staying dry longer. So generally around 2 hours, you should check your child's diaper every 2 hours. And if they are staying dry, then you know that their bladder has the capacity to hold their urine for that amount of time, and they should definitely be way closer to being able to potty train. Along the same lines of wanting to be changed, another sign that your child is ready for potty training is that they want privacy to poop. Now, up until they are really seeking out this privacy, they just kind of poop whenever, wherever. But a lot of toddlers will hide in a corner or just go somewhere where they know that nobody is going to be right there so they can have some privacy to poop in peace. I mean, we all kind of like a little bit of peace and quiet while we're pooping, right? I mean, I don't know how I ever survived with kids at my feet while I was pooping. Like, close the door and lock it. I know you can't always do that, but there is a light at the end of the tunnel, and when your kids get older like mine are now, you will be able to go to the bathroom in peace, and so will your child. And also, your child might be interested in what's going on in the bathroom. And of course, like I said before, they're not gonna say, hey, what's this toilet? I wanna use it. They're just going to show interest. They're gonna look at the toilet, they're gonna wanna put things in the toilet, they're gonna wanna touch the toilet. They're going to be interested in what is going on in the bathroom. So you want to make sure that you are open and having conversations about this is where big kids and big boys and big girls and all the people where they go pee and poop, and someday you will too. You don't have to force them to sit, and you don't need to ask them if they want to use the toilet. You just have to be matter of fact and say, someday you will too. Now remember, if you're unsure of the answers to these questions right now, and maybe you need to do some observation and watching your child, then take the quiz in the description box down below when you're ready, and you will also be able to get access to my free potty training guide. This will help lay the groundwork for a great potty training journey. Now, parents also ask, when is a good time to potty train? You're telling me when is not a good time, when it needs to be not a time when we're moving or sick or all these other things, but when is a good time? So you want to make sure that you have a solid week to 2 weeks to dedicate to potty training your child. Now, it may not take that long. Many children don't take that long, especially if they were 100% ready for potty training, but you need to make sure that your calendar is not booked with all these social outings, because this is a time for you to be home with your child and to be focusing on helping them cross this bridge and accomplish this milestone and ditch the diapers together. Make sure that you have the time and energy to devote to your child during potty training. Yes, I say time and energy because I don't want you to do this when you're 8 months pregnant. And the best way to potty train, which you can actually check this video right here after this video for my best strategies for potty training, but you want to do it at a time where you have a plan. Don't just jump into potty training and be like, okay, we're gonna potty train today and see how it goes. No, don't do that. You need to have a plan, a concrete plan that you know you're gonna follow, and if accidents happen, then I'm going to do this, or when accidents happen, because they are going to happen. But you need to have a plan, and you need to be 100% committed to consistency. You need to make sure that you are in the mental headspace to commit to potty training. The more you are committed, the more that you're really not gonna go back to diapers, because they're gone, they're done, all done. Now I basically put a potty training plan for you on a silver platter, and I want you to go grab my potty training course in the description box down below, and it will guide you through step by step the best way, the fastest way, the easiest way to potty train your child. So don't forget, check out this video next, click this button to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Keep blooming. Mwah.